How to restart an Android phone without power button. To restart an Android phone without the power button, you can utilize these settings. So what you may do is you may access your quick settings panel. For that, you may scroll down like this, and once you do it twice, at the top of your screen you should be finding a power option. Tap on it, and when you do, you will be finding these options on your screen. You can look out for the restart option and tap on it and restart your device. This is one of the options you can follow. Otherwise, you can locate up the buttons. You can locate up basically buttons like that, or you can head over to settings as well, and you can look out for quick settings option within accessibility. After that, look out for quick options here like interaction and dexterity, assistant menu, and allow it. And when you tap on this assistant menu, you should be finding option called power off menu. Tap on it, and it will give you option of restart from there as well. That way also you can go ahead and restart a device without even using a power button. So you can use volume buttons and USB connection as well. Ensure that your phone is charged. Plug your phone into a powered USB port on your computer, and while holding the volume button down, wait a few seconds and then plug in the USB cable, and that should trigger the phone boot to boot in recovery menu, when you can navigate and select the restart option, and that way also you can restart your phone without using the power button. So that is it. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.